Hello friends, welcome to TechJustPreet YouTube channel, and today in this video I will tell you how to create professional thumbnail for YouTube videos very easily. So friends, keep watching this video. For this tutorial I am going to use Canva website. It's a very popular website to create new logos, thumbnails, posters, etc. To get started, just sign up using your Gmail, Facebook or email ID on the Canva website. And after that your Canva account will be created. Now you can see we can create a lot of things on this website. To create a YouTube video thumbnail, you can select from this list or click on the custom dimensions button and now enter 1920 in the width and 1080 in the height. And now you have to select pixels option from the drop menu, and after that hit on the enter key on your keyboard. Now you will see a blank page or design on your screen. On the left hand side of your screen you can see hundreds of templates that you can use to create your YouTube video thumbnail. There are also other options like photos, elements, text, etc. that will help you to create a perfect thumbnail for your YouTube video. Now choose a template to add an amazing design to your thumbnail. Or you can also start by adding a background from the background options in your design page. So I am going to choose this template to create my YouTube video thumbnail. Friends, I can also change this image with the free images from Canva Photos library. Or we can also use copyright free images from Pixabay website. And the next step is to add some beautiful text in our design. So friends, click on this text icon and now you can choose from these font types, or what you can do is click on add a heading. And now friends, you can see that the new text is added in our design. If you want to change the text font, click on this font drop down menu. And now you will able to select your desired font. And friends, if you want to change the size of the font, just click on this font size option and now select the size of the font according to your needs. To change the color of the text, click on this A button and choose the color you like to add in your design. Friends, you can make the text bold and italics by clicking on this B and I buttons above here. You can also align the text left, right and center by clicking on this align icon. Friends, if you want to add some points in your text, just click on this points button and it will add the points in your text. If we click on this U icon, it will add an underline to your text. Friends, if you want to switch between lowercase and capital letters, just click on this button. To change the text spacing and height, this option will help you. Just increase or decrease the slider. Friends, this option is to change the position of any object used in your design. You can move any object forward and backward or align it left or right or anywhere in your design. To copy any object style properties, click on this brush roller icon. Now click on the new object to copy the same properties. Next one is the object transparency. You can increase or decrease the object transparency by using this option. Friends, you can also lock and duplicate objects in Canva by using these icons. And now friends, I'm going to add some elements from the Canva library to make the thumbnail look more professional. Friends, you can also play around with elements and other options and try to make your thumbnail look more awesome. As you can see on your screen, my new YouTube thumbnail is ready. So friends, to export this thumbnail, click on the download button on the top right side of your screen. And now friends, you can choose the format of the thumbnail image. I'm going to download the PNG image. So I will select the PNG image and click on the download button. Friends, here you can see the download is completed. So let's check the new thumbnail. Please tell me in the comments, is it good or not? So friends, I hope now you will able to create professional YouTube thumbnails for your YouTube videos. Please like this video or you can subscribe my channel to get more videos like this. So thanks for watching this video.